In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures and clip art in PowerPoint 2007 in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful skill whether you're making a school presentation, a business slide deck, or just trying to make your slides look more visual and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add an image from your computer and how to insert clip art right inside PowerPoint 2007. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint 2007 and go to the slide where you want to add your image. To insert a picture from your computer, click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Images group, click Picture. This will open a file browser window so you can choose an image from your computer. Browse through your folders and select the picture you want to add. Once you've selected it, click Insert. PowerPoint will place the picture directly onto your slide. You can then click and drag to move it, or use the corner handles to resize it if needed. If you want to add clip art instead, the process is just as simple. Go back to the Insert tab and click Clip Art. A search panel will appear where you can type a keyword related to the image you want, such as business, computer, people, or flowers. After typing your keyword, press Search and PowerPoint will show you available clip art images. Click on the image you want to insert, and it will be added to your slide automatically. From there, you can reposition it or adjust its size to fit your layout. One tip to keep in mind is to use images that support your message and don't overcrowd the slide. A clean, well-placed picture can make your presentation much more engaging and easier to understand. So that's how you insert pictures and clip art in PowerPoint 2007. You just use the Insert tab, choose Picture for an image from your computer, or choose Clip Art to search and add built-in graphics. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another PowerPoint tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.